Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TCL 408 to an Android device. Start by accessing Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both smartphones. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to, then close it by hitting OK. Nextly, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of TCL and receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, tap on one of those options to set up the perfect one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Now just click on Close this window and go back to TCL. You can finally use all of those categories located at the top and pick all of your files that you wish to transfer. When you're ready, click on Send next to Selected located at the bottom. I will go with only one file though, so I need to click and tap on Send as well. Over here, tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you wish to connect thanks to this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key though, tap on Input Key section instead. Type in all of those numbers in the right order and tap on Receive button to connect. So when I do that, as you can see, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!